What's up guys, welcome to the channel. So, ever wished you could see your upcoming events right on your lock screen? Well, you're in luck. In this video, I'm going to show you how to display your calendar events on your iPhone's lock screen. So without any delay, let's dive right into the process. First of all, open the Settings app on your iPhone, then scroll down a little and find Notifications, and then tap on it. After that, scroll down a tad bit and find Calendar from this list of apps. Next, check the box under Lock Screen from here. After that, tap on Show Previews and select Always. Now go back to the previous page, scroll down a bit, and tap on Customize Notifications. From here, make sure every type of notification is turned on. And that's about it. Now you should see upcoming calendar events on the lock screen. Nifty, right? So guys, that's how you show upcoming calendar events on your iPhone lock screen. Don't forget to smash that like button if the video helped you out. Hungry for more iPhone related tips and tricks? Just hit that subscribe button and you'll get your fix on your homepage. As always, thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!